Is you telling me to be quiet?
I'm advising you to be respectful when the jury comes out.
Are you telling me to be quiet, or are you asking me?
I'm asking you and advising you.
Thank you for correcting that, because don't nobody tell me what to do. I don't tell nobody else what to do.
Heated moments in the courtroom between Darrell Brooks and the judge in the Waukesha Christmas parade trial. Now, the prosecution is calling its final witnesses. They have called more than 50 so far. Gabriella Becerra is live in Waukesha with the latest from the courtroom today. Gabby.
Well, Natalie, another day, another warning to Darrell Brooks to stop the interruptions and accusations in front of the jury.
Frankly, from my perspective, sir, your attempts and your comments are to try to dig in at this jury and to somehow create doubt about the presentation of this case or the fairness of these proceedings without the party, meaning the state, having an opportunity to refute, explain, or correct it.
Aside from the interruptions, jurors are learning more about the red SUV Darrell Brooks allegedly drove through the Waukesha Christmas parade, including seeing it up close today. A mechanical inspector with the Wisconsin State Patrol testified to the current condition of the car. He says his inspection shows a worn joint responsible for steering and one different size tire, both of which he says wouldn't have impacted its ability to drive.
Did you observe anything at all that would have prohibited this vehicle from stopping if the brake pedal had been applied?
No.
The Wisconsin Crime Lab also testified about things inside and outside of the car. Legal expert attorney Julius Kim tells me the electronic evidence is strong in this case, but he says jurors tend to crave seeing physical evidence because that's what they're used to seeing on TV.
Presenting some physical evidence today, I thought, piqued the jurors' interest in terms of how strong that evidence is. Clearly, the car is going to be strong evidence because the car is very heavily damaged. And I think that that's going to make an impact upon the jurors' minds as to just the force of the impacts on people.
It's now looking like the state will rest its case tomorrow. At that point, Brooks will begin his defense. Reporting live in Waukesha, Gabriella Becerra, CBS 58 News.
Tough images to see. Thank you.